2017 Honda CR-V EXL. White paint with aluminum alloy wheels, Michelin tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package. Power tailgate. All-weather cargo mat with cargo screen cover. Nice tan leather interior, wood grain trim, USB ports, all-weather floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver seat, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, heated front seats, ice cold AC, large touchscreen, 390 draw, Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, push button start, lane keep assist, hands-free Bluetooth, automatic headlights, just over 90,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us. Review cars.